Hello, my name is Ernest, and today I'll show you how to augment a video onto Vuforia. So first, you go inside Unity Hub and you click New. So type in Vuforia play video on wall tutorial. Then click Create. So once you click, so here's how your project will look like at first. So go to your internet browser and search up Vuforia developer portal. So click on the first link and click on downloads. So once you click on downloads, click the first link as I'm hovering over. So click on it and click I agree. So now what you want to do is to drag and drop this package file onto your Unity project and click import. Click update. Now before we actually start putting the AR scene together, what you want to do is to go back to the Vuforia website and click develop. So once you click develop, click on get development key. So type in Vuforia play video on wall tutorial and click the checkbox below, click confirm. So once you've done that, click on the license that you created and copy the link, copy the license key. So and then go back to your Unity project. Once you have done so, hover over Vuforia engine and click on AR camera. So delete the main camera from your scene and go to the resources folder. Click on Vuforia config and paste the app license key as shown below. Now we'll be trying to put a marker into a scene. So go to the Vuforia website and click on Target Manager. Click Add Database and type in Vuforia. Oh yeah, make sure there's no spaces. So Vuforia play video on wall tutorial and click create. So once you are done that, you click on add target. So choose a PNG image. So go to your marker library and select one of the 4 markers as shown below. And click and set a width. Normally 3 meters is good enough actually. So click add and click download database all. So click Unity editor and click download. So drag and drop this Unity package to your Unity project and click import. So once you have done so, right click the hierarchy, hover over Vuforia engine and click on image target. So set the type to from database. Select Vuforia play video on wall tutorial, and here's your marker right now. So you'll notice that the camera cannot see the image target right now. So what you do is you move the image target so that the camera can actually see the marker right now. So something like this will be suitable enough. So right click on your image target and click hover over 3D object and click on cube. So click F and now you'll be centered on the cube. So click on R and just make sure that the cube actually looks like a TV screen right now. So just adjust it, maybe a bit higher, just the height of it and so on. So something like this, maybe a bit more thinner as well. So like this, move it a bit higher. So this will be our video right now. So then right click on image target, hover over video and click on video player. Okay, so now we need a target texture for our video right now. So right click assets, hover over create and click on render texture. So this will be our video texture. So just drag and drop this texture right now to our video right now. And now you can just drag the video to the render texture, or you can just click the circle, and then click on video texture. Yes, and set the aspect ratio to stretch. Click on loop. So once you've done so, go to your internet browser and search up a video on YouTube. So it can be anything right now, but let's just say I want a game trailer, perhaps. Like mortar shell right now. So once you got the video, once you have chosen the video, you want to search up a YouTube video downloader and click on the first one. So just copy and paste the video address and click on download. So just click on this icon over here. So right click, save video as, and paste, just type in a name for the video. So I call it mortar shell gameplay trailer and click save. So now just close the video right now. Go back to your Unity project and just drag and drop the video over here to your assets. So to maybe keep things a bit more organized, we will create two different folders. So one folder will be called the video, which we will just drag the trailer over here, and one will be called textures. So we'll drag the video texture to a textures folder. So once you have done that, click on video player. Click on the video folder and drag motor shell gameplay trailer to here. So if you want to change it up a little bit, you could set it so that there's no audio. You could set it so there's an audio source playing for the video, and you could set it to direct, which means it will play at full volume no matter where you are. Okay, so now we will be trying to build a APK just so we can deploy it onto our mobile device. So click on File, click on Build Settings. So click Switch Platform. So first click on Android and then click Switch Platform. So just click the Add Open Scenes button, otherwise nothing will get built in. So click on Player Settings. Remove Vulkan Graphics API by clicking this button. Disable multi-threaded rendering. And set the minimum API level to Android 4.4 KitKat. Although do keep in mind that you can set this to anything higher than API level 19. So any of these versions will work below. So just close this window, click on Build. So just create a new folder, call it APK, and then open it. So just name the APK as Play Video on Wall Tutorial or Vuforia Play Video on Wall Tutorial, and then click Save. So here's your APK, and now we'll put it onto our device. So before we start the application, just keep in mind that you have to print out the marker on an A4 sheet of paper. Preferably the marker should be as big as you can make it. So let's begin right now. As you can see here, our video is...
You seem different. Untouched by false truths. Will you pry these gifts from the unwilling? Or will you let them rot? Bring the glance.